how to use Google AI Studio for data analysis. Now, Google AI Studio is a web-based tool that uses the Gemini models for data analysis. It can summarize data sets, generate analysis code, and extract insight from the file as well. First thing first, you want to access Google aistudio.google.com. Here, you could just go ahead and upload the file. So in order to upload the file, you click onto the start typing a prompt section. At the bottom right, you have this plus button. You click onto it. You select upload file and upload the file where you have it. So you could go ahead and choose a model as well. Whether you want to go with Gemini 2.0 Flash is recommended for high speed, and make sure that you have prompt mentioned as well and in a simple language. Once you're done entering the prompt, uploading the file, you could then see the information what you're actually looking for. And this way you'll be able to use Google AI Studio for data analysis. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.